Today for the Bitcoin price. Guys, what the heck is happening to Bitcoin and Ethereum right now? I will be going straight here into the charts because we saw a big breakout and then a big dump towards the downside. The question right now is what are the next steps for Bitcoin? What price targets am I looking out for? What happened to the trade I actually opened quite some time ago where I actually stacked up? And what are my price targets for Bitcoin right now in the immediate short term? I will be not only talking about my previous trades, but also there is a brand new trade unfolding on the horizon for Bitcoin and Ethereum, and I will be talking about that. So make sure you stick here until the very end. I'm actually here right now at the breakfast in Dubai, and well, this doesn't hold me back to push this video out in the moment it is necessary. I'm here with CryptoMo, and as you can see, we are here directly at the fountains, and man, crazy things are happening. I'm not just saying that, man. Let me go back into the charts and show you exactly what's happening here. Bitcoin. So what you can see here, and this is, I mean, it looks horrifying, guys, but stick here with me until the very end. You can see here that we are having here the 1 hourly candles, but also the 4 hourly candle just closed. And if I am taking the measurement tool, you see we had this crazy breakout out of this bull flag, this new bull flag, if you want to call it like that, and the price went down 4% within like 10 minutes or so. This is the hourly, but within 10 minutes, $2,300. And well, it's not nice, to be honest, to see a fake out like this. First of all, Bitcoin broke out of this falling wedge here earlier. And see it on the 4 hourly as I predicted. Bitcoin broke out of this bull flag also as I predicted. And look at this, the price came so close to the price target. I have to say it didn't hit my price target, but well, we are taking profits before the price target. If you are in that trade, let me know down below, and if not, well, we want to evaluate whether we are going lower here or not. So first of all, this bull flag here, if it is even a bull flag, the flagpole is a little bit too long, already faked out here, and Bitcoin broke down. So first of all, what we are doing when these fake outs are happening, let's look at the volume candles. You can see here the first volume candle towards the upside actually printed significant volume, and I think that this was one of these events where the market is just taking the most amount of money from the most amount of people most of the times. And I could imagine, I mean, I did publish my video like way earlier. My last video I published somewhere right here. I could imagine that many people were maybe here caught up in that fake out because volume was confirming. But guys, you know the deal. We as an MMCrypto family, we are waiting for a breakout to confirm in a very specific way. It's not only the volume we are waiting for. We are waiting for the hourly candle or the 15-minute candle to close outside, go below, and confirm the breakout by confirming the previous resistance, which is then turning into support. This did not happen here. As you can see, Bitcoin straight broke down below. This is the moment to either exit the trade if you prematurely entered, or not to enter it because we invalidated the new support, which was previously resistance. So now let's see what is happening and whether this run towards the upside is already over. First of all, well, you can see there is significant selling volume coming in for Bitcoin, but I wouldn't pound the tables for the bears yet. And the reason for that is, if I'm going back to the hourly candles, that on the hourly, the volume is not even as strong as the bullish volume in the candle before. So I would personally wait here a little bit. The moment where I get very, very cautious, and maybe that's already when I'm publishing that video, it is here when we are going below the $57,000, because then we are not only on the hourly but also on the 4 hourly creating a new low for Bitcoin, and that would actually bring Bitcoin back into a bear trend on the specific time frame, and then we have to flip bearish on that specific time frame. This moment has not come yet, but certainly we have to be alerted. On the hourly, you can see Bitcoin broke below the 4 hourly ribbon. Let me go over to the 4 hourly candles. You can see on the 4 hourly candles we didn't break below. The 4 hourly is still bullish, and also here you can see, let me quickly take that out here, the brush. Here you can see only if Bitcoin breaks below the 57 level, that's when we are getting in the ribbon and eventually breaking the ribbon at $56,200. This confirms a furthermore break towards the downside, a bear trend for Bitcoin. So far everything is fine, but not as bullish, and I have to be quite honest here to you. Let me quickly switch back. Here you can see the beautiful fountains of Dubai. Very, very nice. Let me quickly switch back. To be honest, Now I'm less bullish than I was an hour ago, because these fake outs are definitely not something we want as traders. So of course I have my trade open. I want to show you transparently here my trade, which is in significant profits right now, and of course also talk about what I would be doing if I would be standing on the sidelines right now. First of all, guys, before I'm going into the charts, into my trade, and also into my game plan for Bitcoin right now, I wanted to remind you, in the pinned comment down below, this is the link. Looks like this. It's the first comment on the top of the comment section. You will find a $700 free bonus here, the Bybit Phoenix Udex link, and well, you can long Bitcoin, you can short Bitcoin. If you go down below, you click these links, you make your account. After your initial deposit, you get $700 for free. The nice thing is, with this free bonus, you can trade, you can withdraw the profits from this free trade, and if this bonus period is over soon, which is going to be over soon, so claim it right now, you will be always eligible by clicking our link down below for all future bonuses in the future. Now let me go back into the charts, and of course also back into my trade here. You can see my trade over on Phoenix, 40 Bitcoin and a profit, $2.2 million dollars, but half an hour ago, this was $2.7 million. You can see here $8.5 million dollars in a profit right now. So, well, it is going volatile. Why am I not scaling out of the trade yet? Well, first of all, it is severely profitable, but the reason is we didn't confirm the bear trend. We didn't confirm that we are breaking lower here. I would be scaling at least partially here out of this trade, would always keep it open, of course, once we are confirming the bear trend on the 4-hourly, breaking below the 4-hourly ribbon. But with that being said, if Bitcoin continues in that bull trend, if we are not confirming here this bear trend towards the downside, which, well, it doesn't look perfect here right now, I have to say that the new candle is just wicking below the previous low, and you know what, guys? Yeah, we are creating here, in the best case, a double bottom with the previous low. So let's wait what is happening here. I just wanted to show you, or like, elaborate a little bit on my previous price targets. If we are creating this double bottom, if Bitcoin is not breaking below the price target I actually mentioned earlier, then the price target, but only then, of $60,400 is still in place, and also $61,700. But I would remain very, very cautious right now. And in the best case, like this is my best case scenario, if Bitcoin breaks further lower, then I would love to see at least Bitcoin confirming the previous resistance of this falling wedge here as new support at the $55,000 levels, break above, and well, then I can tell you this would be a textbook confirmation of this bigger pattern on the 4-hourly, on the 8-hourly, or even on the daily, and that could turn this horrible scenario back into a bullish scenario. Let's wait and see what happens here. I would like to know your stance actually on Bitcoin right now. Are you bullish? Are you bearish? And please let me know also your price target for April, because the question in the end is April going to be bloody, or is it going to be green? If April is going to be green, it's gonna be the first time in Bitcoin history that we are seeing 7 green candles towards the upside, and that would be certainly something to celebrate. But just looking at from a probability perspective, it could be more likely to be red, because we have never seen 7 green months in a row. Let's wait and see what happens here. Thank you so much for watching until the very end, guys. We will see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, as always, especially for everyone watching until the end, yesterday we got like 2 shadow bans on the video, so if you could support me by liking the video, sharing the video, just creating backlinks, making noise for the algorithm, I would truly appreciate that, and we need that for the YouTube algorithm to stop with that nonsense. We crypto YouTubers, we cannot be silenced. I think you experienced something very similar, right?
Yesterday was a very, very weird day.
Yeah.
I thank Carl as well.
Yeah, exactly. So guys, come on, support these channels, support our channel as well. Make noise for the algorithm, and we will see you in the next one of MMCrypto. As always, guys, as always. Bye-bye.